on top of the head. Okay. All right. How many more do we got?
Chrissy, look at Daddy.
Any more? Any more?
Yeah, lots
I
more.
got a pinch. I got a pincher.
Grace?
Hi.
Right.
There's a lot, right?
Good.
Lots of room.
Good. Okay.
Kiss. Kiss you.
Uh.
No, not already.
Okay, put it in there. There you go. You're losing some structural integrity. Okay.
Ow! Hey, hey, I can't see it.
Put it under my arm. Under my arm in the back.
No,
Come on, under my arms.
we can carry the rest. No, we're not.
Come on, don't make up the rules when you come in a room late. You can't just come in here and say, no, you can't. Put it under my arms. I got tons of room in the back.
You can't take.
Yeah, there's more, honey.
But there isn't any more.
On the
Come
couch.
on, don't be whining. You've got a big monolith. You've got a big colossus.
Here, there's some over here.
Thank you. Oh no, somebody poured.
You have to put it all in the back of his shirt. Some of it has to be in the back of his
Bless you.
shirt.
There you go, Gracie. Good work.
Yeah.
Some of it has to be in the back of his
There's an
shirt.
opening up the top.
I can't reach up there.
Just throw it up there.
Look at there's some in your back. Daddy, we're not done.
It's okay. He's doing good. Look at him go.
Chris, put it in his back. And you almost said drop it. You put it in your back. Ah, more's falling out.
Good one, Niles.
Ah.
Nice job, everybody.
Hey, help me. All right.
Yeah.
Good job.